my dear friends and language learners. It's been a few weeks since Croatia has celebrated its National Independence Day or National Holiday. I'm not quite sure what it's called in English. Anyway, I've forgotten the day or the number of this Learn Croatian episode, or I've forgotten when I made the last one. Shame on me. So I will leave out the number here. I just don't know it. Anyways, I want to thank the countries, the first 5 countries that have, well, recognized Croatia even before being recognized themselves as independent states, which were unofficially Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Slovenia, and Ukraine. And showing you the names or expressions, verbs and nouns for those countries and their languages and so on. I want to thank them. So let's start with Estonia. The Croatian name for Estonia is Estonia. We have 3 different adjectives, as you might know, in Croatian, for masculine things or persons, feminine things or persons, and neuter things or persons. Children, for example, are neuter grammatically. So we have Estonski, Estonska, Estonsko for masculine, feminine, and neuter words or persons. A man from Estonia is called Estonats. A woman from Estonia is called Estonka, and altogether they all are Estonci, Estonians, and the language is called Estonski jezik. Latvia. As you see here, we have underlined or marked words. Those green marked words are not official ones, so I will just read the official ones which I can find in my dictionaries, official Croatian dictionaries, but you will find those green words also on the internet or wherever. And well, the next is Latvia, which is called Letonia. We have the 3 adjectives Letonski, Letonska, Letonsko. We have Letonats for a man from Latvia. We have Letonka for the woman, and Letonci for all the people of Latvia together. We have Letonski jezik, Letonski jezik. Lithuania, officially Litva, Litavski, Litavska, Litavsko, Litavac, Litavka, and Litavci. And the language is called Litavski jezik. Slovenia, Slovenia, Slovenski, Slovenska, Slovensko, Slovenac, Slovenka, Slovenci, Slovenci. Can make a point on different syllables of words in Croatian. The language is called Slovenski jezik. Ukraine, Ukraina, Ukrainski, Ukrainska, Ukrainsko. Men from there are called Ukrainac or Ukrainci for that matter, but a single man is an Ukrainac. A woman is a Ukrainka. And we have all of them together with Ukraine. Excuse me, Ukrainci. Okay, and the language is called Ukrainski jezik. So you might be wondering why some words are capitalized and others are not. Well, Croatian doesn't know the capitalization of, let's say, nouns and other words like German does, so we always write words with the first letter being capitalized when we're talking about a geographical name or a name of a person and similar. So thanks for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed, you learned something new, and well, see you next time. Bye.